welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny, and today I'm just going to be doing a quick Shein haul. It is a mini Shein haul because I didn't get that much stuff, but I definitely got some stuff that work friendly and church friendly, and just really some stuff that I can wear, you know, out and about that's appropriate. Yeah, so if you are interested in this mini Shein haul, please keep on watching. Okay, so I did get just a couple of things with the Shein haul. So yeah, so I did get I got about 5 items, I think it was. The first thing I got is I got this dress right here. I know it looks really big. I did get a medium in this one, or a US 6 in this one. So here it is right here. It's really cute, actually. It looked really cute on the model, and that's always my biggest concern in buying Shein clothes. It's like, can I wear this to work? Is it going to be long enough, you know, to wear to work? So usually I am more of a small, more like a 4. I went a size up just in case, so it can be longer. This dress is really cute. It's really comfortable. It has long sleeves, so it's perfect for the fall season. Putting it on, it feels really soft. It's very comfortable. It does have a belt, a matching belt with the same floral fabric, and it does, like, I should have tied the belt more to the side because it does make my belly stick out a little bit. I have a little bit of a belly. It is really comfortable. It's really cute, and I think I like the way it's detailed. And I think this was on Shein for about $18, so really great deal, and I think it's just really cute. All right, so the next item we're going to be working with is going to be a green dress. I love olive green. Like, olive green, I just feel like olive green works so well with melanin. Like, oh my gosh, I love olive green. So pretty. Another professional, work friendly dress. It's a really cute dress, and again, this one's long sleeve. It does come with a matching belt, and it is long. It comes to, say, past my knees, and I am 5'8", so it's pretty long on me. And I did get a size small, or a US 4 in this one, because I did know that it would be on the longer side, so I didn't have to worry about length. So that's why I did not go a size up. Just have a zipper in the back to make it easier to put it on, because it is harder to put on long sleeve dresses. I'm glad they added that zipper to the back. And it does have on the front, it has detailing right here where you can button it up right there if you're showing too much cleavage. Just another really cute dress I really like. Okay, so this is the next one. I wear this when I went to Atlanta to go visit my boyfriend. So my boyfriend did this dress in particular, and I did wear this one out. I think it was the day before Halloween night. I wore this dress. It's really comfortable. It is a sweater dress. I know I'm probably not doing a great job of showing it because it was all folded up, but it is a long sleeve. I'm going to insert some pictures of when before we went out, when I wore this dress right here. And it does come with a belt also, but it is a good length. Only thing I regret is I should have gotten probably a tighter size. I looked on the model. I did get a tall size, but I think I did get a 6 in this one. I should have got a 4. My boyfriend liked it for the most part. I think he just wished it was a little more fitted. I also thought too that I wish it was a little more fitted. So in the future, I'll definitely getting something that's a little tighter when I'm going out that night. So, but me and my boyfriend had a lot of fun that night, even though we didn't, and a lot of people were dressed in Halloween costumes. And I guess what happened to come Halloween weekend to Atlanta, yeah, the clothes were packed. They were packed. It right here. I'm in the search for better leggings. Like, I've been having trouble finding just decent leggings. I don't want to spend a lot of money. I know the Skims leggings that Kim Kardashian has are really great, but I have not tried those yet. I'm just on a search for some affordable leggings. I used to wear Forever 21's leggings, which were amazing, but they changed the way they made their leggings, so the newer ones just fit really bad. They fit really tight. I did try out Shein's leggings to see how they fit. They're right here. I got these in a small or a US 4. They have this very odd material, as you can see. It's like a stretchy material. I didn't really expect that. I guess I expected just maybe cotton material, like the regular one, but it's mostly polyester. So different, but they are very comfortable. I wish they were a little longer, and if I'm not mistaken, they're between $10 to $12. They're all right. I'm still in the search for some affordable but cute leggings, because I'm definitely a leggings kind of girl. Usually Victoria's Secret still has amazing leggings, but their leggings are so expensive. So yeah, we working on that. I'm on a search. I'm on a search. And so last but not least, is my favorite dress, and I wish I had bought 2 of these in different colors, because this dress is so cute. Here it is right here. And this one is also long sleeve. One is a medium in the US 6. So as you can see, I have kind of a pattern of getting a 6-inch dresses to make sure they're nice and long. Here it is right here, and it has really cute like ruffled detailing. It's a nice good length, and it even has ruffled detailing on the sleeve. These buttons don't work in the front. You can't take them off. They're just for decoration, but I think that is a really cute detail. And this one does also come with a matching belt. But I absolutely love this dress. It's really comfortable, and when I first put it on, I'm just like, wow, this is so cute. This one is, if I'm mistaken, this one was about $18 also. If I end up ordering more dresses from Shein for work, this will definitely be the style I'm going for, because these kind of dresses are so cute. They're nice and comfy for work and for church, Christian girl friendly. You know, I absolutely love all these dresses. Other than that, I do have another Shein haul coming with some more casual clothes. I got a lot of Hello Kitty clothes though, because I absolutely love Hello Kitty. I love cute things. If it's not too obvious for my personality, I love cute things. So I love girly cute things. So that is the end of this video. So I do appreciate it. If you made it to the end of this video, I do appreciate it. But thank you so much for watching. Please comment and subscribe and share if you care. And I hope everyone has a blessed day. Thank you so much. Have a blessed week.